Hey guys, welcome to Wig Making 101. My name is Nakia. I am the founder and instructor on WIGMAKING101.com. I offer online courses as well as hands-on courses. This is all about the updates that you guys need to know. I plan to do this, if not every week, every other week, so that you all are aware and informed of what's going on with WIGMAKING101.com. So, with all of that said, make sure you're following me on all three platforms, social media platforms. If not all three, at least one of them, because I make sure all of this information is posted on all of them. So make sure you're on YouTube, Wig Making 101, Facebook, Wig Making 101, as well as Instagram, Wig Making 101. And if you are also subscribed to the website, you also get the updates there as well. So let's get started with the updates. First things first, the student page has changed. So if you're not aware, if you're a non-student, you are probably not aware that you are able to log into the student area. There's information there that is free for you to see. When you go onto the website, you will see what has changed. For those of you who are students, you also see this as well. But I start off with the welcome video, and then there are a few tutorials that are free to everyone. If you're a student, you've seen some of this already, and you might not have seen it, but the welcome video is there along with some free tutorials so people get an insight as to what I'm teaching in the master courses on Wig Making 101. And then there's updates and announcements, and that's all of the updates and announcements that you guys need to know. So this particular video is also going to be placed there too, so you're honestly getting all of the updates as they come. So keep that in mind. And then as you scroll through all of the master courses all the way up into master course 8, I believe, which doesn't start until June. That's when we're going to be making wig caps, different wig caps. So that's what's changed in the student area. Everyone has access to this. Keep that in mind. But I just wanted to make sure everyone was aware of what has changed if you've been on the site recently. So I have the welcome video with a few free tutorials for non-students so they can see what is in the course, and then as well as the announcements area. All of the announcements will be posted there for you to see just in case you miss your emails. So that's why I did that. Now, the second update that you guys need to know is module or master course number 6 on hair pieces. That is on making ponytails and fringe pieces. Let me see if I can find my fringe piece here for you guys to see. There's tutorials already done on ponytails and on like fringe pieces, things that clip in. This is also another example of what we call a topper. And those videos are there. This video will be finished so you guys can see it. So the live is already done for the 360 wig cap. And so now the next step is adding on the wefts, and that video will be up before this week is over so you can see how I do it. But tomorrow, Wednesday, at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, I'm doing another live instructional. Now, again, I noticed that not everybody is able to make the live instructionals on Wednesday at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So I'm going to do it, but I'm not sure if it's going to be my last. I might change the date. And if I do change the date, I would love for you guys to comment down below what's a really good date for you guys as far as doing live tutorials on anything that I do. I need to know that because that helps me kind of gauge and get enough people involved in the live instructionals that we're doing in the live tutorials. But since that is going to be tomorrow at 7 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, these are the materials that you're going to need. So please forgive me if this is a little bit late for some of you, but at least you can get in and watch and see what's going on. But what you will need is weaving net. So this is weaving net. I have black and I also have blonde for Caucasian market. So you do have, and not necessarily Caucasian market, but just for skin color, if that has to do with it, your scalp color. But you do need weaving net. So weaving net, we're going to learn how to make a topper piece that's usually put on the top of the head to create a particular style for people with short hair already. Not for people with long hair, but we're going to do it for short hair. So I'm going to show you how to do that. And you will need weaving net. You can get it at a beauty supply store. If you're able, I'll make sure I put links down below this video where you can access it online. That way you'll know where you can purchase it if you don't have it. You'll also need at least one bundle of hair. Doesn't matter what texture you use, but in this case, I'm using straight texture because there is a particular popular style that I'm going after. So I'm using straight hair. It's human hair, and it's 12 inches. So there's a reason why I chose that. And then you're going to need what is called a circular piece, a circular top piece. So it looks like this. So in Master Course number 2, I do teach you how to sew and make these yourself, but you can also find these at a beauty supply store. If you're unable to find anything like this at a beauty supply store, you can definitely look down below. I'll put a link down where you can find these and you can purchase them if you want to make these after you've watched the live instructional. So those are the materials that you're going to need. One last thing, you're going to need wig clips. You're going to need at least 2 to 3 sets of these. So they come in 2 a piece. Some of them you might be able to find more, but you need at least 6 of them just in case, so that you can get it around the perimeter of the hair, because we will be making this almost as if like it's custom made for a particular client or for mass production. So we're actually going to learn it more so in mass production, but you need enough clips to put these on. So that's the last thing that you will need as far as materials concerned for the instructional, the live instructional, if you plan on being there with me and learning this information together. So those are the updates. I will see you students tomorrow. If not, I probably will see you May 1st. May 1st is a live instructional on how to start your own business and wig making. I'll be talking about the different niches. I will be talking about the steps that you should take in order to get started. And then I will be pulling those steps apart and showing you step by step how to do or execute those steps, so that you can start making some money for yourself and helping people out there who are dealing with hair loss or just like to wear wigs or whatever it may be. So that's it for all of the updates. If you have any questions, please leave a comment down below or whatever platform you're watching this on. If you are my student and you have questions, you have my private number. Please contact me if you need to. And I will see you guys in the live instructional and in the next live update. I think this is a live update. Bye, guys.